Welcome to Bennett's Bike Social. We're here at Oliver's Mount in Scarborough, the last true remaining road race in England. A few days ago this was a public road, but now it's being converted into a racetrack. Over 3 days we have qualifying on Friday, full racing programme Saturday and a full racing programme on Sunday. The amount of bikes varies from old Manx Nortons to TZ352 strokes to modern 600s and classic superbikes. Bennett's are proud to sponsor the Classic Superbike race, which features such riders as Guy Martin and Dean Harrison, Dominic Herbertson, to name just a few. We're really looking forward to 3 days of action, and so is the limited crowd. Due to the current COVID restrictions, the crowd is limited to 2,500 spectators per day, stretched over this huge parkland course, which is almost 3 miles long. But we're still looking forward to an excellent 3 days of riding, and I'm personally looking forward to seeing John McGuinness on the parade on the Bennett's SP1. Dom, we're here back at Scarborough, we're enjoying the racing. It's fun to be back, good track?
Oh, it's absolutely fantastic, and it really is. It's a road race had to get going first, and it's fantastic. It's this one.
You've been riding the 600 and the twin?
Also, we've been racing Davy's Motorsport Yamaha 500 and John Chapman's beautiful 250, but unfortunately, especially in classic racing, mechanical gremlins can come up and bite you in the backside. But I'm over the moon. The Cowtons, as always, and forever will, put together fantastic bikes. So we've got one more race to go and I can't wait to get going.
Just down here in the bottom paddock with James Hyde. He's rode incredibly well. It's your first time here at Oliver's Mount. First of all, what do you think of the track and the atmosphere?
Yeah, absolutely love it. It's just a good overall track now. Loving it, yeah.
You've been smoking everybody on the 250, including me. You've been really battling at the front on the twin, and you've been having fun on the 600. Which bike have you preferred?
To be honest, I think it's 600. Yeah, I've sort of really like gelled with it around here. It's a bit easier to ride with it being an inline 4, so yeah, just enjoying it. Yeah.
Looking forward to seeing you hopefully at the Gold Cup.
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, I'll be back.
This is the only road racing I think there's going to be this year. It's a short track. You're right by the action as well. Bikes are going past you at God knows what sort of speeds. And it's Scarborough. It's brilliant. I love it.
It's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. It's the first one back for this year. Proper road racing. First time I've been to Oliver's Mount.
To actually be able to stand directly next to it and smell and hear everything that close, like, I just love it. Absolutely love road racing.
Just nice to be out and be able to have a family day out after all the lockdown and just enjoy the bikes and the noise.
It's about all the noise and like having all the fun, like getting a bunch of food and like watch all the racers doing like wheelies and like racing around the track.
The bikes, the speed, the sound.
Get so close to them, it's absolutely amazing. It just goes straight through you.
Dean has just won the Bennett's Classic Superbike race. How was it, mate? Bit sketchy?
Yeah, the conditions weren't ideal, but everyone's in the same boat. But no, it's nice to get back out on a bike, really. I've ridden the Green Hall Kawasaki this weekend. It's been absolutely brilliant for most bikes, never missed a beat. It's nice to see some spectators on the hill. A bit of normality is nice, to be honest.
And how was the bike? You're used to the ZXR 750, but this is an entirely different bike for you.
The first time on this bike on Friday, we got obviously we fogged off in the morning. So no, it's just been dialing into for my settings, really been tweaking it every time we've been on track, and it's just been getting better and better all weekend.
Congratulations, and hopefully we'll see you at the Gold Cup.
Thank you very much, you will do.
for the Parrish Classic Festival. The last race is just going up the hill. We've had an awesome time. Thanks to Davy Todd for lending me the ZXR 750, and thanks to Eddie Roberts for loaning me the TZ 350. For a change, I got to see the racing from that side and not spectators. The limited crowd have had some entertainment. They all seem to have enjoyed it. The weather was sketchy at times, but we've got all the racing and we're underway. Now we're looking forward to the Gold Cup in September, and hopefully we'll see you then. It's a good picture.